cute.
No, I love those children. I follow them for Instagram, and what is their name again? I don't forget. You know, but beautiful. See, they make dance look beautiful. As former dancer myself, you know, some people they will say, like you always talk most times, say, "Oh, but I like to watch you dance."
Yes, you are. Oh, and by the way, for those of you who don't know, I don't know whether I don't know, but I want to come again. This guy dances. My God, he is the cutest when he dances. I love to watch him dance. Anytime I go like the dance, I go just say,
No, but really, there's the beauty in dancing.
He dances effortlessly.
And that's why when I watch those children dance, they sweet me because it's just
no power,
fine.
You get some people that go to dance from here before they don't land for there. What happened? Too much power. Why? Dance calmly. Dance calmly.
The things that they want to rotate around you.
Okay, so today we're going to talk about friends.
That's what friends are for. Keep smiling. Keep shining, knowing you has always done on me. For sure, that's what friends are for. In good times and bad times, I'll be on your side forevermore. That's what friends are for.
Okay, so today we're going to talk about what in just sing about friends.
Yes.
And you see, in this life.
Yes. Preach.
You need to understand.
Tell them, baby.
That they are friends.
The friends.
And their friendship.
And the friendship.
And their friends.
And the friend.
My brother, if you have friends.
If you have friends.
You're okay small.
You're okay small.
If you have friendship.
If you have friendship.
You're balling.
You're balling.
If you have friends.
If you have friends.
Your own have met you.
Your own have met you.
Because there are some friends.
Because there are some
that
friends.
by the time they are done with you.
That when they're done with you.
It's going to be a sad moment.
It's going to be a sad moment.
We have to. Oh, but this thing not be joke. Oh.
No be joke, no be joke, no be joke.
Yeah. That is it.
That is it.
Friends in this life, they can either make you
or break you.
Or break you.
Bam.
I don't know person who commit suicide because of
friendship.
Problem of friends. Because if you not get good friends, they can end your life quickly. Now the truth be that. Because you go there, depression will go catch you. When you get some kind of friends will just destroy your emotional gravity.
Oh,
then come out your circumference, your equilibrium, not your balance.
Oh, bragada.
Your whole life just erupts.
Oh, Lord.
You go really, die.
Everybody needs friends.
Yes,
you understand?
good
Everybody
friends.
needs good friends. Because no man is an island, like they will talk most times. Everybody needs. And now when you don't find yourself in some kind of situations, now you go really realize, say, now go they talk, come on, for my now when you don't realize, say, when you don't decide, when you don't this kind of wahala, now then you realize, say, you get friends or whether you don't get friends. At the talk, they show my face. What's wrong with you? But really, every one of us need very, very good friendships. And you must try your best possible to be a good friend yourself, to attract good friends.
Here's the thing, you see, like charges, they attract. You understand what's not at all? If you know big better person, the kind of people will go there around you, they no go feel better.
Exactly. So you be a reflection of your friends.
Yeah, a reflection of who you have around you. So if you want good friends, be a good friend yourself.
When they come back after this break, we'll launch every on top friends, good friends, fake friends, better friends, and all that. We'll just give now everything so that you self go also realize that even you self first, you need to be good friend yourself. Then you go also need good friends. For
that's a stand near you like money.
We're back.
And we're back.
And we're back. All right, still on the friendship P. We'll also get too much time. We get some kind of small technical issues, and we don't rectify them.
And so for that, we're sorry.
We're very, very sorry, okay? So, Maiwa.
Yes?
Let's launch it for them.
So what was I talking about? I mean, they talk about friends, right?
Yes.
I say you get different kind of friends. I mean, I have some good friends. Ogbola, I have some really good friends. You are one of them.
Yeah.
You are one of them. Besides the show where we do together, he is my friend. Now, there's a difference between having a friend and you being a good friend yourself.
True.
Everybody did different. Oh, but your attitude different from my own.
True.
But because I'm your friend, I will take your excesses. Because you are my friend. He gets something what I go do, you go just look me and say she don't start, leave her. When she finish, she go calm down.
Oh, John, that one.
You understand what I talk? Now, a good friend will support you in everything. If he not agree with you, but he go tell you in mind, say, look, this is the way you want to do. I not support him, I not agree with him, but because you be my friend and you don't make up your mind, you have my 100% backing. Especially if not good thing, maybe if not business idea, maybe if not work idea, maybe if not, you know, some ideas like that. I even know some friends that are so good to you that if you want to trick your hand for bad thing, they go tell you, oh God, this is the way they do no good. I don't like him, but when you can't enter trouble, finish, then go stanch him for your back.
That one very, very important. I say, this is what you won't do. But if you cry, come back. My chest still you can't cry.
They go stand for your back like wall of Gibraltar. Now the thing be that.
No
so
shaking.
if you have those kind of friends in your life, count yourself lucky because
you are blessed.
They are not plenty.
No, they're not plenty. You are blessed. So another point, you know, when you see good friends, when some people call true friends, most of them they always tell you. They'll correct you, tell you where they go wrong. You know, face to face. They're not going to do that for your back. They're not going to do hypocrisy. They're not going to backbite you. They'll tell you face to your face. Say, come, you my friend, and I want the best for you. This is what they do. You go mess up, or you mess up. You understand? Or now, like you say, they mess up. So they'll tell you the truth to your face to face. No corner, or talking for your back. You need true friends.
People, they always talk this thing, say, out of mind is out of sight. But say if you be good friends, even if you never see, you are still friends. I will disagree with that, and I will tell you why. The truth be say, communication aids closeness. Communication aids closeness. That's why even for relationship, they go tell you, say, if you know if you do distance, don't try them. All right? Communication aids closeness. Now, if somebody is your true friend, it may not be often. Maybe when I know they stay the same town. It may not be often, but you will always make efforts to check. That's the truth. You know if you go 3 months, maybe you not check your friend, then they say, oh, that's my friend. No. Every now and then you go to check. So if you have good friends that always check up on you, always want to know what's going on with you, always interested in what is going on with you, keep them.
They just make out time for you. At least.
Not because I said they won't do it, but because they genuinely want to know what's going on. If you're okay, if you're all right, keep them. Even if you not communicate, they are not angry.
Bam.
They still will look after you anyway.
Bam.
Yes.
All right. So another thing where I think true friends always do, they'll keep your secrets.
Yes.
I mean, like my talk earlier, everybody get their own, you know, issues, get some kind of things them. Also need people to also talk to sometimes, and your true friends now you go fit talk to, and you go dey very you go dey secure with your secrets. You know say you go know say you go tell them this, and this person no go fit tell somebody else about your secrets. They always keep your things for you, you know, especially your secrets when no one made the whole world know. They will cherish and keep them for you without spilling the gist for the world.
Then your good friend, they always get your time. I get this friend where be say she be very busy person. She dey make money. When I say make money, she dey busy.
Money get.
But oh Lord, but she saw my friend that means she dey middle of meeting where they bring her.
No.
As soon as now my name she see for the phone, she fit come out say Mayowa, I know if you talk now, but I beg, make I call you back. But she will not ignore my call for no reason, except if it's something beyond her control. So anytime when I call her where she no pick, I know say something did. So a good friend always have your time, no matter what situation. I don't see people where they say they are good friends. She get what she dey deal with, but her friend carry her own wahala come meet her. She forget her own wahala. Face her friend own.
I mean, that's what it's supposed to be, you know. But last, even while they talk about all this, a good friend, not only look the other person supposed to be a good friend to you, look your own self. All these things we don't mention right now. Sure, you do these things for people too. You understand? Because some people always cry, I no get friends. How good have you been personally to other people too? That one self join, all right?
I agree with you.
So for true friends matter, more just, you know, match break.
One more,
one more.
Yes.
Okay.
If you are a good friend, you don't try to impress yourself.
Or
if you are good friends, you don't be like make I come and say I want
dress to come and impress me. I mean,
you go down look me say anything they worry auntie go sit down.
Auntie, or you want to come the form, I want to dress to kill my friend. I want
to impress. I want to show my friend that I've done this, I've done that. For what? Good friends don't impress because they already know everything.
They love you just the way you are.
Yes.
All right, so we'll go one small break, one small video. When they all watch, I'm gonna just enjoy. Then we'll come back. Then we'll tell them about fake friends. The fake friends then. Are you one?
Are you one?
You get friends, fake friends around you. So we'll just go for this.
Examine your sensitivity.
Oh, bagada, lale. Nah, wow.
Okay. When you train animals, it's really nice.
Yeah, you go just love the whole thing. You go love and finish.
When you train them, it's really nice.
Creeping into fake friends. Bam. Are you one? Do you have fake friends around yourself? We shall find out now.
The first thing to know about fake friends, they are never happy for your success.
Hey!
See, you know, because they are fake, they go try pretend, but you go know. Ask me how you go know. Ogbolo. So Ogbolo, I strike this deal, I make like 2 million. You as my guy go be like, where will they go, where will they go? Yes. You know, go spend 50K for me, they worry you now. Where will they go, where will they go? But as fake friend, the first thing she go talk now, you sure say this deal legit. I happy for you, but you sure say they no go come back and ask you for this. Now, because you don't make money now, you can't happy for you. But because you don't know, you no go suspect anything. But from their utterances, you go know.
They cast the gist.
Negativity full everywhere.
They only see the negative side of your moves, your things, the way, you know, they never feel say, man, you're supposed to even get gist for Mark to talk like testimony. Or say something happened to you, know. If one big thing just happened, the other say, now, wow. You sure this thing good, so maybe one man enter a woman's life. They can say, this man don't come now. You sure they know just chop you wrong. So then they never see the good side of something, you know. They always, you know, want to put, you know, sansan for your garri somehow. Yeah. You know, and you have to be very careful.
Be careful.
To know which one be which.
Yeah.
Even you yourself, are you one?
Are you one? Are you a witch?
Yeah, exactly. So
that's the thing.
At that point, you know, that they also fake friends, you know, that they ever listen to any of your problems.
No, that kind of they get things to do.
No. You know if you trust them.
No, you can't
when you enter inside begin, you understand, or you inside desperate need. No be want to desperate need. You know if you trust them. My wife did now. If you call and say, babe, how far? Man, hungry, they catch me. I bet you get food for house. She feels like, okay, I could just fall in.
Even if I know day, you know, you think of something. You're always ready to.
Yeah, you know, to see how you can help
how
out
you can
and
help
all that.
out.
Yes. So, but fake friends, if you attack begin like this, they'll say, if I tell you they say what they owe now, next you consider you can't buy motor. You can say, but you I don't buy the motor
since now they deliver out.
They don't deliver the motor now. You understand? I owe Nigeria. I owe Nigeria. You can say, you know, so fake friends will never be there for you when you are in need. And
then fake friends, they pressure you to do things that they want.
Yes.
If you have a fake friend, if you want come out, that's go the pressure your guy can't drive now. Come on, go now. But you know, say you need to do this now. Simply because they want to go out.
Yes.
Fake friends, they are never considerate with you.
At all.
Now what thing they want.
Now what thing they just
all
want.
the time.
And the last P, fake friends no they ever forgive.
No.
Once no longer one can't begin like this, they'll keep them for mind. But real friends will say, okay, I know say you said you get your own for body, you understand? And I understand say you did here at this particular place for your head at that moment. Okay, I forgive you. Maybe we just continue life. But fake friends then they agree forgive. They'll say, this is what you do.
Tell everybody where to listen.
And you know, next thing they don't carry up and down. So not ever look say everybody with a smile around you, now your real friend. No.
Okay. You get one last one we go to wrap up with it very important.
Okay.
You see fake friends, they always point your flaws back to you. For example, now, Ogbolo, why you no come yesterday? No verse. I busy. Finish. Abi?
Yes.
Fake friend, why you no come yesterday? No, your fault. Now you no call me. Now you don't find me.
Somebody says you said last week you come.
Last week you come. They are quick to point your flaws at you.
Exactly.
They are always defensive. Always defensive. Now, everything are your fault.
Yes. So you just look look around because it's very, very important, you know. Your success for life at the end of the day can also depend on the kind of friends who you get around you. You understand?
Yes,
I'm not talking before here, say, if 4 blind people work out together, no one go see road, go anywhere. But if one person amongst the 4 gets one eye at least, then go become bros for where everybody is. So it's very, very important. Say the kind of friends, the way you get around you, they reflect who you be as person. And you need them to succeed. Whether you like them or not, you need people to... God don't come from heaven, no. Now the people that way around you. All right? So get good friends around you and avoid fake friends.
Okay, well, we feel like motivational speaker.
Yes, we got to do it now.
I even have the look.
The look, Abi?
Yeah.
All right, so ladies and gentlemen...
I have a motivational speaker look.
There's more common math for this. Too much serious talk. More time laugh.
Oh, yeah. Right, follow us for Twitter at Wazobia PADI. Follow us for Instagram at Wazobia TVNG. Individually now at Mayowa Ekpo on top Instagram, at Ogbolo on top Instagram, Mayowa Lambe on Twitter, at Funny Ogbolo on Twitter, Mayowa Ekpo on Snapchat, at Ogbolo on Snapchat. Follow us on top youtube.com/Wazobia TVNG. Search for PADI, including on Facebook. Face us with your problems, no problem. We are your friends, we are your good friends. Face us with your no problem. Facebook.com/Wazobia TVNG and search for PADI.
All right, guys, so happy weekend to everybody. Make a catch on a better groove for the weekend. And please don't drink and drive. If possible, stay without alcohol, okay? But most importantly, get the right kind of friends around you. You need them for your success for life.
Yes, right? And today I'm going to groove, whether I like it or yes.
We need to groove, baby. We need to groove.
To enjoy more of these our Ogbonge videos when you just watch, press this button to subscribe on top of our YouTube page. You go love her.